Zefal bike degreaser. Test natin for the first time. Let's check the magic. Yan. So this is carbon, elite carbon, and based sa review nila ay this is safe for carbon. Ayan, better safe than sorry. Okay, may difference na span of seconds. Wala pang 1 minute. Ayan, may difference na guys. So hintayin muna natin mag-absorb yung degreaser and saka natin kuskusin. Ayan. Walang nakalagay sa instruction pero tansya na lang, siguro mga 1 more minute. Okay, so we're done with the cleaning. Parang 1, 2, 3 cleaning lang, pero okay na. For me, satisfied na ako sa result. So lagyan na natin ng chain lube, and this time ito yung gagamitin ko, Zefal extra dry chain wax long lasting. Yan. Ganito rin ba kayo maglagay ng chain lube? Wala, curious lang, baka pareho tayo, pa isa-isa each link.